vehicle? Check out the 2020 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, four-wheel disc brakes, roof rack, navigation system, HD radio, adjustable pedals, tachometer, leather shift knob. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.